I'm Phill Wilson-Perkin. I'm a member of 5 years. We're currently located up in Archway in North London. We've been there for a couple of years. Previously to that, we were in Regent Studios in Bethnal Green, and then before that, we were in Underwood Street near Hoxton. We were founded in 1998. And I think the reason for our longevity is because of our operating model. We run as a sort of artist co-op, and as members we all pay subs, sort of like a cross between a co-op and a scout group or a guide group in that way. And that allows us to fund the space and to fund other projects. When we don't have a space, which has happened a couple of times. Last year we celebrated our 20th anniversary with an exhibition called 1,000 Years of Things, where we had a look through our archive and we questioned our archive, we questioned the uses of archives and presented our archive in a way that people can actually re-interact with, re-engage by having some Hollywood special effects magic that allowed people to actually then re-inhibit old exhibitions, old flyers, old stuff in a way. The challenges we're facing as a group are quite numerous because of the size of our group. It takes an awful long time to get things done, but that's actually fine, and a bit of patience and a bit of time means that we get things done eventually. And it also alleviates the pressure to answer and to respond. So we do get a chance to chew things over and develop a more concise version of ourselves, or a more concise presence. In that way. Other challenges are quite a big and important one, which was just mentioned during our panel talk, is that our artists, our organisations, seen as beacons of change in an area, for the better or for the worse, and for the worse possibly foot soldiers of gentrification, for the better beacons of change, beacons of unity within a community, whatever community represents. I think 5 years are being new to an area. We do feel that pressure that we are more the latter rather than the foot soldiers of gentrification. In order to sort of appease this or to make this more clear, we've started doing workshops with Elthorne Pride through our various members. We've started a relationship with Archway Library and Islington Libraries, where we've run numerous workshops in the library and also satellite exhibitions inside the library windows and in the library itself, and we're hoping to develop this relationship so that our exhibitions and projects can incorporate events from the library and within the library. Yep. The projects we're doing at the library, we are trying to actually expand our presence and our involvement in the community beyond our footprint, beyond our bricks and mortar boundaries. 5 Years is currently in a courtyard with a big gate, and this has its issues with including the community at large, and we want to break down that, but at the same time we also can't help our architectural presence and how we are held by it. So I think with inequality to culture, by taking things off of the site or by including part of exhibitions, part of projects off-site, it acts as an open door for people to come in to our sites, and it sort of defames it from that cool, ice-cold, distant art gallery. So it's hopefully something a little bit more comfortable. Continuing our relationship with the library and with the community, putting on our amazing exhibitions and our wonderful reading groups, and working with our new members, because we've got 4 new members which joined very recently, and we're also doing our Christmas festival, No Limits, in December.